Welcome to Consumer Flix, your go-to channel for the latest drone innovations and reviews. Helicopter DJI Dock 3 is here, revolutionizing autonomous drone operations like never before. With enhanced automation, better efficiency, and cutting-edge features, this docking station is a game-changer. But is it worth the hype? Stick around as we break down everything you need to know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive drone news, reviews, and insights. Advanced automation and smart docking. DJI Dock 3. The DJI Dock 3 introduces a new level of automation, allowing drones to land, recharge, and take off with minimal human intervention. Compared to previous models, this version is expected to feature improved AI-driven flight scheduling and remote monitoring, making it ideal for industries requiring continuous drone operations. Enhanced weather resistance for uninterrupted operations. DJI Dock 3. Designed for all-weather performance, the DJI Dock may 3 come with reinforced sealing and enhanced temperature control to withstand harsh conditions. Unlike the earlier versions, which had basic weatherproofing, this dock could introduce advanced climate-adaptive features for greater reliability. Expanded compatibility with next-gen drones. DJI Dock 3. The Dock 3 is expected to support a wider range of DJI drones, including upcoming enterprise and industrial models. Compared to previous docks, which were limited to select drone series, this version may feature dynamic charging and landing adjustments to accommodate varying drone sizes and functionalities. Remote control and AI-powered security. DJI Dock 3. Security enhancements in the DJI Dock 3 could include AI-based surveillance features and real-time threat detection. Unlike its predecessor, which primarily focused on automation, this model may integrate more robust security protocols, ensuring safe operations in high-risk environments. Scalable deployment for large-scale operations. DJI Dock 3. With a modular design, the Dock 3 could enable easy scalability for businesses requiring multiple docking stations. Previous versions had limited expansion capabilities, but this new model may introduce network docking solutions for seamless fleet management across vast areas. Seamless cloud integration for remote management. DJI Dock 3. The DJI Dock 3 is expected to feature enhanced cloud connectivity, allowing users to monitor and control their drone fleet from anywhere. Unlike previous models, this version could offer real-time data syncing, AI-driven analytics, and remote troubleshooting for increased operational efficiency. AI-powered predictive maintenance. DJI Dock 3. This latest dock may introduce AI-powered diagnostics that predict potential issues before they arise. Compared to earlier versions, which relied on scheduled maintenance, this innovation could reduce downtime and extend the lifespan of both the dock and the drones it supports. Faster automated charging and deployment. DJI Dock 3. With an upgraded power management system, the DJI Dock 3 could reduce drone downtime by offering faster charging and more efficient battery management. Unlike its predecessors, this dock may include adaptive charging that optimizes battery longevity while ensuring drones are always ready for deployment. Improved security and remote access. DJI Dock 3. With enhanced encryption and remote monitoring capabilities, the DJI Dock 3 could provide better protection against unauthorized access. Compared to its predecessors, it may include advanced authentication features, ensuring secure communication and control even in critical operations. Effortless multi-drone coordination. DJI Dock 3. The DJI Dock may 3 introduce support for simultaneous takeoff and landing of multiple drones, enhancing efficiency for large-scale operations. This advancement would be especially beneficial for industries such as security, agriculture, and infrastructure inspection, where seamless aerial coverage is crucial. Advanced AI-driven automation. DJI Dock 3. The DJI Dock 3 is expected to introduce enhanced AI-powered automation, allowing drones to execute complex missions with minimal human input. With smarter obstacle avoidance, optimized route planning, and real-time data processing, it could deliver more efficient and autonomous operations than previous models. Rapid charging and extended battery compatibility. DJI Dock 3. The DJI Dock 3 is expected to feature enhanced charging technology, minimizing downtime between missions with faster drone recharging. Additionally, it may support higher capacity batteries, enabling longer flight durations compared to previous docking stations. Enhanced security and remote monitoring. DJI Dock 3. The DJI Dock 3 is expected to feature stronger encryption and advanced remote monitoring capabilities, offering improved protection against unauthorized access. With upgraded authentication features, it may ensure more secure communication and control, making it a reliable choice for critical operations. Conclusion. The DJI Dock 3 is set to revolutionize autonomous drone operations with enhanced AI automation, faster charging, and improved connectivity. Its advancements over previous models make it a powerful tool for industries requiring efficient and reliable drone deployment. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter, what are your thoughts on the DJI Dock 3 and its autonomous capabilities? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert drone reviews and updates. See you in the next video.